In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Search. Understanding how to efficiently use the search function in Asana can drastically improve your productivity and help you find everything you need with just a few clicks. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, when you're staring at your Asana dashboard, you might feel like you're looking for a needle in a haystack, especially if you're managing multiple projects. This is where the Asana search comes into play, and it's incredibly powerful once you know how to use it effectively. Once you're in Asana, take a look at the top corner of your screen. You'll notice a search bar, which is your gateway to accessing every task, project, or conversation associated with your workspace. Click on the search bar and you can start typing the name of exactly what you're looking for. As you type, Asana begins to show you suggestions. This autocomplete feature is amazing because it saves time and can remind you of exactly how things are titled in your projects. If you're unsure of the exact name or looking for something specific within multiple projects, hit Enter after typing your search keywords. This action takes you to a more detailed search pane. Here, you can refine your search by using filters. Filters are helpful if you want to narrow down your search results, for instance, by tasks assigned to you, tasks you've created, or even using date filters if you're looking for something created within a specific time frame. One pro tip is to use advanced search capabilities. Click on Advanced Search to access a host of additional filters. You'll want to play around with different parameters like project name, due dates, assignees, and even tags, which are super helpful for honing in on exactly what you need. You could, for example, search for overdue tasks assigned to you across all your projects by selecting the appropriate options in the advanced filters. Once your search results are displayed, it's straightforward to navigate through them. Each result will show you the project and the task details that you have selected. You can click any of these results, and Asana takes you directly to the task in its project, letting you get right to work. Another great aspect of Asana's search function is the ability to save your searches. Let's say you run a search frequently. By saving it, you can come back and execute it again without recreating the whole setup. It's like having a shortcut tailored just for your workflow needs. In conclusion, mastering the search function in Asana doesn't just save you time, it allows you to work smarter, not harder. Make use of the basic, detailed, and advanced search features, rely on filters, and tweak them to suit your needs. And remember to save frequent searches to cut down on repeated efforts. There you have it. Now you're ready to conquer Asana Search with confidence and efficiency. Happy searching!